Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're brand new, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and give this video a like. Today is obviously Super Bowl Sunday, and I did my nails. Nice. I put on some brow liner, mascara, and lipstick. And today I want to do Patriots inspired slime makeover.
Oh, it brings me right back.
For this I am going to activate it. And did I mention that sorry about the last part. Did I mention for Super Bowl, who do you want to win? Comment down below. Either the Rams or the Patriots. I'm all about the Patriots. That's why I'm doing the Patriots. Inspired slime. Duh. Alright. So first, checking on makeup. By the way, okay, sorry guys. But let's get start to the dead. Start. So first I'm just gonna add in some Nickelodeon slime activator because that's all I have right now. Wish I had some more contact solution, but I actually ran out not a long time ago. And I'm so sad about it, but you know, it happens. Whatever happens, happens. So I'm just going to need that activator in, and I'll see you when it's done. Alright guys, so it is kneaded in, and it is such a nice texture. I said that really weird. But it is a nice consistency, and it is a nice texture. So let's get on with the color. Then I'll tell you. Sneak peek. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm giving you a sneak peek. I really hope you don't know what that was. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so sadly, I'm sorry for that. I think the mascara is just going places. But it's not, it just looks like my eyes are really dark right now. But hang on, I can't control myself right now. So I have blue food coloring here, and I'm ready to add this to the slime. And unfortunately, I don't know where the red food coloring is for some weird reason. So this slime is purple, but I don't want it to be. I hope that people can tell that this is like a Patriot slime, because I'm going to be working really hard to get this right consistency, color, and all that stuff. And I will see you guys when I'm done. Alright guys, so I got the slime red. Sorry, I just did a thumbnail. Ready? And I am all set. Even though it's not the blue I would like. Like, it looks kind of more blue on camera. I don't know. Like, kind of more purple on camera-ish. I don't know. Yeah, looks more purplish on camera. And now I'm ready to go on to the next step, which was kind of hard to do just because I couldn't find my red dye, and then my plan just didn't work and it just went flop. So to make this a Patriots inspired slime, I was gonna make this a red based slime, red based fluffy slime. Smells good. And I was gonna put white foam beads in, blue foam beads in, and that was it. So I didn't have to add any red ones in because I don't have any. And now I need to add red ones in, like pink ones in. I have pink ones in here, I don't know, guys, but hopefully, this can kind of look like a Patriot slime. I'm gonna add my 3 foam beads in, and I'll see you when I am done. Alright, guys, so I just want to, I want to show you the before, not the before, not the after. If you want to see the before, go all the way back to the beginning of the video, because I'm not sure how to edit very well, I guess. And I want to show you, I want to show you how I add my foam beads in. So I just made a mixture of all the foam beads, and as you can probably tell, this slime is a foam slime. If you got that, comment down below. I'm just gonna dunk this in there. Ooh. And oh my god. Just took another thumbnail. Sorry, not my favorite name, but thumbnails that I like. Okay, so that's just how I do it, and I'll see you when I am done. By the way, guys, by the way, guys, I am spending Super Bowl time alone, just with my mom, my stepmom, dad, and brother, and me. No one else. Not today. But yeah, we did just have my meme over, and my meme, same thing as grandma. Yeah, I'll get back to you when this is done. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna end this video sad and just mad, first of all, because I need to clean up everything, and a lot of foam beads kept on falling out of this slime, going everywhere. But I'm gonna end this video right here, and here is the slime. It's not the best, I don't like it that much, but it's what it is. So hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and give this video a like. And let's go Patriots, and bye!